In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your NotebookLM notebooks with other people. So first things first, just type in the word NotebookLM in your browser of choice, and then just go to the Google here NotebookLM page, and then just go to try NotebookLM. This will take you to your account. You may have to log into your Google account. And once you do so, you'll see your recent notebooks here on the dashboard. If you want to create a new one, you obviously just go to create new notebook and go through that process. But in order to share a notebook you've already worked on with other people, you want to click into that notebook here. As you see, this is the normal interface here. And then in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see a share button with this icon here. Just click on that. And then you'll have the ability to add people or groups of people right here. So go ahead and do so. Once you've added the people that you want to share the notebook with, you can give them different types of access. They can be just a viewer, they can edit, or you can remove them right here. Right where it says notebook access, you go to the drop down here and you can choose that anyone with this link has this access. It's restricted or it's a public link. That's all decided right here. Once you're ready, go ahead and go to send, like so, and it will send that and share that. And when you do so, you should see a little icon in the upper left-hand corner that says shared, as you can see here. Lastly, I do want to tell you there may be an option to insert a welcome note to these people and also give them access to just certain areas of the notebook. You can choose, really it's up to you, the preferences you want to choose here. But once you're done, you can always go back to the share button and just remove people by hitting that drop down menu. And then you can always just copy the link and email it if you want. That's how you share a notebook within NotebookLM. If you have any questions, put those down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.